Welcome in. Welcome in. If it's your first time here, let me reel you in for a second. Welcome to youtube.com/hey. Cut it out. I'm trying to give the intro. Welcome to youtube.com/Adrian Armour, where we react to all things that I enjoy. And one of them things just happens to be a little NFL football. And unfortunately, I just looked at the damn final time of this video, which let me know, usually NFL try to shoot for 12 minutes. This is 10. Must be ass game, but it ain't gonna be an ass video, so go ahead and drop a like on the video, hit the subscribe button, because we blew past last week with the goal of 14K. Now let's move to damn 15, all right? Let's do it. So go ahead and hit that sub button, and let's see what the Jacksonville Jaguars and the Houston Texans got going on, because both of these teams are kind of in, I don't know what the hell zone, They got a lot going on, and I need them to figure it out. It's week 3 football. Go ahead and grab your snacks, grab your bev. I got mine. And we're going to talk about this bev. Look at, hold on. This is one of the most photogenic cans you've ever seen. We're going to talk about this beverage during the primetime games tonight and tomorrow. So tune in to the primetime games for a big announcement tonight. With that being said, let's get to it. Yeah.
There's a lot on the quarterback and these receivers to get on the same page. A lot of option routes based on what the defense shows them.
Stroud on target.
Now, CJ Stroud, I'm going to be real with you. I don't know what the hell you've been having going on the past couple weeks. I'm going to need you to rectify yourself. Because you one of them dudes that I want to believe in the league right now. And you ain't really been showing it.
Affected his pass incomplete.
This officially will be a 52-yard attempt. Kaimi Fairbairn, this
hell no.
Winding right, no good.
Hell no. Looking like a damn bum. All right, Trevor Lawrence.
Obviously, the turnovers that he wants to correct. It's been a major.
You're going to have to go ahead and capitalize on the fact they went all the way down the field and didn't do shit with it. It's a damn shame. Now, I haven't even had the pleasure of seeing a real coming out party for Travis Hunter yet, Neither on defense or on offense, and I've been waiting to see how that's going to go.
Another strike.
That's when you have a chance to play elite
Jacksonville Jaguars just leading themselves down the field.
Lawrence going towards the end zone, and it is incomplete. And there's the flag.
Pass interference. Defense number 24. The foul occurred in the end zone.
There's been some real questionable calls this week, like real bad. But we ain't gonna talk about it, all right? Because I know if I do, y'all gonna look at this logo on my chest and act weird. So I just can't do it. I can't do it like that.
You're in the league penalized. And they take full advantage.
So the Jacksonville Jaguars are up first, and this is very interesting because honestly, I felt like the Houston Texans were ready to walk into this year with the momentum that they had going on last year. And now it seems like because of internal dysfunction and lack of true development, we're here in this situation where the Houston Beyonce Texans ain't doing shit.
0 of 3 so far, the Texans on 3rd down. Stroud protected. First down, Houston.
There we go.
Finally convert. Travis Hunter on the tackle against Dalton Schultz.
With zone coverage behind it, they've got to be able to protect.
Walker and Hines Allen pin their ears back. Stroud steps up in the pocket and delivers.
Damn!
Nico Collins.
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness. Defense number 29. 15-yard penalty, first down.
They talking about the damn hit? Is that the damn? Hold on. Shit.
Behind it, they've got to be able to protect.
Walker and Hines Allen pin their ears back. Stroud steps up in the pocket and delivers. Nico Collins.
Personal foul, unnecessary roughness. Defense number 29. 15-yard penalty, first down.
I don't think that was it because I didn't see 29 on that hit. I just know that boy got hit into the damn shadow. Damn crazy.
Play the drive for the Texans. Jacksonville brings 4. Stroud protected. Stroud end zone too high. Townsend the holder. Austin Brinkman the long snapper. Operation is good. And boy, those penalty numbers now starting to creep up on the Jags. They're 6th.
3rd and 19. Damn. This has been a reoccurring thing. I've been talking about how the Jacksonville Jaguars seem to always keep putting themselves in situations by this because, and I know it, I don't have to see what the call is. Every time, almost every offensive drive that they show on the highlights starts at a 3rd and long as hell. Y'all got to figure something.
Lawrence never had a chance.
Y'all need
to figure something out.
Wreaking havoc for the Texans.
All right,
Kind of pressure to the
Texans back up. Let's see what we got going.
Handoff
Okay,
taken,
get your whole ass off me.
weaving his way. There's another marker thrown in the offensive backfield.
Damn, this game.
2nd and 20 after
sloppy
what
as
is
shit.
the 7th
We in the 3rd
Jacksonville
quarter.
penalty, totaling nearly 60 yards. Beautiful maneuver. It's Hunter making
Okay.
his first big play. Boy, he puts him in the spin cycle as he works on
Okay, you know what, Travis Hunter? I had asked for at least a little shred of something. You gave me a little something. Let me see what you got going on at the beginning of this play. We go under the hood. Travis Hunter's first little explosive play on the offense, all right?
2nd and 20 after what is the
We out here, boom, hang out,
Jacksonville
low
penalty.
out. All right, we got the ball. We securing it. Little motherfucker behind me. I hear his footsteps. Right up on me. He right up on me. Let me hit him with the little.
Totaling nearly 60 yards.
Shit, left you in the damn dirt. Here you are in front of all of my teammates. Just an accessory to a highlight reel. Damn. All right, and I'm up out of here. Mixed you up too and got the damn first down too. Hey, you know what? We'll give you a little something. Not too much though. Not too much. It's one play. All right.
Boy, he puts him in the spin cycle as he works on the sideline.
Okay,
To put them in a
let's not get too
3rd and 3
crazy. Okay,
situation.
let's see what we got going on.
This is where you need your franchise quarterback to deliver. He
There we
gets it
go.
to Washington, breaking tackles. First down and more for the Jags.
Need that.
Tim Patrick in motion, 3rd and 24. Not many in the book for this play. Couple of tackles broken.
Oh, Lord.
Strange, he's still going.
And now you get the 4-man rush able to provide pressure and get Lawrence to the ground.
Lawrence again under heavy pressure on the release.
It's
Thomas incomplete. As that was broken up.
Incomplete. All right, we got a little kick.
Snap wasn't great. Good
Got up in there.
recovery.
Snuck up in there too,
by
but
the
we got up in there.
Cook.
All right, CJ Shroud chicken. Come on,
From
man.
the gun, buried.
CJ sack lunch. Damn. Oh, shit. Bro, I mean, I can see it from right here. They coming for that damn ass. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's back it up. Let's see what the
By
damn
the
defense got
holder,
going on.
Cook.
All right, Jacksonville Jaguars said we got a 7-point lead. We tired of playing tit for tat for you. We going for a stop. It's 3rd and 13. CJ Shroud chicken, what you cooking? We rushing. Damn, I'm gonna be real with you. Offensive line just got beat. Look at you. Back turn. He over here looking hurt. Shit.
From the gun.
Yeah.
Buried.
Shroud chicken, you fried up, boy. Fried up.
Josh Hines Allen.
The
To me, has
superior
the edge.
Josh Allen. All right, Jacksonville
Play
Jaguars
action
back
from
on
Lawrence over
offense.
the middle, complete.
And we just
Tim
moving
Patrick,
down the field.
his first catch. Trying to get this offense
We in the
jump
3rd
started
quarter
as
and
they
it don't
work
look
now
like the
inside
damn Houston
40.
Texans doing shit.
Shooting.
But then again, I just
Taking
watched
out
that damn
all
Green
comers.
Bay Browns
NFL
game.
scouting
It seemed like
combine, but-
anything could turn around
Well,
at any
as
time.
you saw
So
in that last play, he's a smaller back, 5'9", 210
Hey,
pounds.
still
But he is
couldn't
a
get the one.
tough inside runner. And field, of course, you go up 10 instead of 7, and you make Houston prove that they could block your defensive line.
And they miss.
Should have went for it. More of a long
you hear that whole ass motherfucker, man?
two, then it makes it much more difficult
Shoulda went for it.
if you're not successful here on 3rd down.
Big play here for Stroud. They protect over the middle,
right there.
completes. Nico
See, there we go.
Collins, he goes
There
to
we
his
go.
star
And if y'all
wideout.
if y'all
He
go
hasn't
down,
played
we
in a while,
tied.
but still has
You got
yet
a whole
to really
quarter.
find that connection with Christian Kirk.
CJ Stroud's pass is picked. Jordan Lewis with a snatch.
To really find that connection with Christian Kirk.
CJ.
Should have got the pump out, you know, and should have put some more air up on that motherfucker. I see you trying to get over here, and it would have been there, but damn, two. Way to be an athlete. That's a good one right there.
Pass is
That's a
picked.
good one right there.
Jordan Lewis with a snatch.
more opportunities with this much time left in the fourth quarter to get back in this game.
Lawrence on 3rd and 4. It's another drop for Thomas. Unbelievable.
Oh, he must have been dropping shit all game. Damn shame. Damn shame. Sorry to hear it. Sorry to hear it.
Stroud, you need one here from your franchise quarterback. 3rd and 9. Everyone covered. Stroud well short. 9. Everyone covered. Stroud well short.
There you go.
On 3rd and 10, Lawrence protected.
Damn.
Lawrence picked.
Damn.
Jalen Petrie.
Set up our offense at midfield and try to get ourselves.
Yeah. Come on, y'all.
CJ Stroud wide open. Collins. And it's
there we go. There we go.
A 50-yard strike.
Hey, calm the hell down. There ain't no way we emoting and all that right now. All right?
Ball game.
I'm glad you tied up though. Let me not take the competitive spirit away from you.
All
right?
out.
Boom. Great ball.
But
Great ball. Great
it
ball.
doesn't get any better than that. You all game long, I think Jacksonville has played a great game defensively. I think really both defenses have played well. And you made Houston have to earn it.
Okay, we got a tie ball game with 8 minutes left. Trevor Lawrence, what you got for me? Nice little first down. Okay.
I was just about to say number 85 is about all you have.
It's not true.
Jacksonville today
He got plenty of weapons, all right?
On 3rd down. Big one here. Completion. They're going to be short.
You got to go for this. 4th and 2.
Like
game on the line.
The efficiency, I don't like the trust factor from this offense to go for it in this situation.
Cohen rolls the dice. Lawrence
they have
protected,
to.
Batted down at the line of
scrimmage.
scrimmage.
Yeah, like they have to.
From all the problems and the limitations, make a play and will your team to win.
Stroud underneath.
Oh, he's about to sauce you up.
The former Jag coming back home in his Texans debut.
Just stands in there in the pocket, takes a shot.
Damn, this game is really close. I can't believe they cut this at 10 minutes.
3rd down pass, complete. Collins football's out. Devin Lloyd has it.
Man.
Just crazy. And they will take a closer look at him on that sideline. 3rd and 6. Texans rush 4. Lawrence protected. Everyone covered. Lawrence going to run for it. Lawrence has it.
Hey, way to be the damn big man to get it.
You want to see.
That's right.
Against this Jacksonville side under their first-year head coach, Liam Cohen. 2nd and 3. Handoff ETN. First down and more. Some physical, hard running on a day that they're running. Lawrence protected. Lawrence delivers a strike. Thomas.
And when you need him to catch the ball, he showed the hell up at least. It seems like it. Damn.
A secondary bust, and you give Jacksonville their biggest play of the game.
ETN, and he's in for the Jacksonville touchdown.
That was a beautiful last run.
But what an impressive two-play punch.
Yeah, look at this.
It's very much a possibility, Spiro, that they did let him score.
Patience.
Great wrist there.
Navigating the
This
lane.
offensive line.
How we gonna finish this game?
Drives.
Stroud's pass up the seam. That was nearly picked.
From Jacksonville.
DBs
got to account. They're bringing 5.
Nico Collins available on the field. Kirk with the snatch.
Travis Hunter, was that you getting discarded like damn trash?
Nico Collins available on the field. Kirk with the snatch.
That's on the 4th down too, man. You gotta go make that play.
Kirk making his Texans debut. CJ Stroud looking, everyone covered. He's going to run for it inside the 40s, right at the line to gain. Appears to be a little bit short. We'll see where the officials mark the football.
Come on.
They've really held up well, and they're giving CJ Stroud a chance to deliver the football.
On 2nd and 10, Stroud completes.
Marks
breaking free. Boy, the rookie spinning his way inside the 30.
Got 2 timeouts, too.
I would try to get a matchup on a linebacker and get him the football.
Here they come, Hines Allen around the edge. Stroud's pass. They may have gotten a piece, and that is picked.
Yeah, it did. I saw that thing twisting and turning in the air.
Why you don't give the rookie number 79, Ursary, a little bit of help on Josh Hines-Allen, who has completely wrecked your offense.
Hey, Jacksonville Jaguars. Goddamn. Yeah, okay. I see y'all. Y'all barely got away with that one. CJ Stroud chicken in the Houston Beyonce Texans. Y'all got to figure this shit out because this is looking damn criminal over there. I was over there talking about how y'all could be in the real dance of the AFC South. Y'all damn 0-3. Shit, man. Come on. Come on. Shout out to the Jacksonville Jaguars getting a 2-1 start. 0-3 for the damn Texans. Well,
make sure
that's about that. So y'all go ahead and hit the next video or go back and watch all the other ones because your boy, you know, we got prime time to be getting ready for. So we're going to go ahead and get ready for prime time and then we're going to be back later. Hit the damn video.